In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the appearance settings in Discord. Whether you want to switch between light and dark mode, customize your theme, adjust font scaling, or simply make Discord look and feel better for you, everything starts inside the appearance menu. The good news is, it only takes a few clicks to get there. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can find it quickly on your own. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Discord tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Discord on your computer. This method works on the desktop app as well as the web version in your browser. Once Discord is open and you're logged into your account, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile section there, including your username, profile picture, and status indicator. Right next to your username, you'll see a small gear icon. That gear icon is the User Settings button. This is where all of your personal Discord settings are located, including privacy settings, notifications, devices, and of course, appearance options. Go ahead and click on that gear icon now. As soon as you click it, you'll be taken to the User Settings menu. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical sidebar with a list of different setting categories. These categories include My Account, Profiles, Privacy and Safety, Authorized Apps, Devices, and more. This sidebar is where you navigate to different sections of your Discord settings. Now, in that left sidebar, scroll if needed until you find the option labeled Appearance. It's usually located near the top section under the Main Account settings. Once you see Appearance, go ahead and click on it. That's it. You've successfully accessed the Appearance settings in Discord. Inside the Appearance section, you'll now see multiple customization options. This is where you can switch between light mode and dark mode depending on your preference. If you prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially at night, you can choose dark. If you like a brighter, cleaner look, you can select light. Some users may also see additional theme options depending on updates and features available in their version of Discord. You'll also find options to adjust the message display, such as cozy or compact mode. Cozy gives you more spacing between messages, while compact fits more messages on the screen at once. There are also sliders that allow you to change the chat font scaling and space between message groups, which can be helpful if you want text to appear larger or smaller. As you make changes inside the Appearance menu, you'll notice that Discord updates in real time. That means you can instantly see how your adjustments look before deciding to keep them. There's no need to save manually. Your changes apply automatically. So just to quickly recap, open Discord, click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open user settings, then select Appearance from the left sidebar. From there, you can fully customize how Discord looks and feels. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Discord guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.